perfectly fine here. This is normal Iowa shit. Just 3 feet of snow. Totally won't get stuck. Yeehaw! Trying to stay warm, but I'm almost out of cardboard. So, yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen. That's the only thing I got to stay warm is just burning cardboard. But I have this sweet Huntsman by Kizer. So, you know, I got that going for me. Maybe I could chop down some trees or something and start a fire to keep warm, because this one's almost out and I don't really know what's going to happen.
Fire's got the temperature up all over the camp. Won't last long, though.
Neither will we.
How will we make it?
Maybe we should.
Have a nice day.